Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to offer to the market this superb special edition 18 plate Suzuki Vitara Kuro 1.6. The car is finished in superior white and has covered 13,997 miles. It's had one owner from new and has got full dealer service history. The Kuro is based on the SZT Vitara but with upgrades like the black alloys, the side mouldings and the rear colour-coded spoiler and the black personalisation around the car. Getting towards the rear, you see the car has rear tinted windows, and to help you park the car, it's got reverse camera. The car is superb inside and out. I've had a good look round it. There's no marks. The 17-inch black alloys really suit the black accents and the superior white colour. Before this car goes to its new owner, it will come fully prepared and professionally valeted. Let's have a look inside the car. When you open the door, you're greeted with comfortable cloth seats. The black accent continues inside the car with the piano black dash and the clock, down to the infotainment system. So you have a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system there, which incorporates DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth audio streaming and smartphone link. Following down, you have climate control, so you can turn the temperature up in degrees. 5-speed manual gearbox. Looking towards the steering wheel, on the left hand side you have your volume controls and your channel skip buttons. Further down on the left you have your telephone answering and your voice activation buttons. On the right hand side there you have your speed limiter and cruise control. All in all, a superb example of a Vitara Kuro. I really do not anticipate this car being here very long, so if you'd like to book a test drive, please do give us a call. It's 0113 271 2288, and thank you for watching the video.